In this video, I will show you how you can download and install more columns in CAS Mod for Sims 4. First step, open a browser. Then you just need to write on Google more columns CAS Sims 4 and go to patreon.com more columns in CAS. Then we need to scroll down until you see download folder files. So you can have 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns, or 6 columns. In this case, I'll go with the 6. Save it to desktop. Once the file is downloaded, then what you need to do here is to open up File Explorer. Okay, it's quite easy and straightforward. Just press here, then go to a Documents, then go to a, as you can see here, it should be Electronic Arts, Sims 4, Mods. Drag and drop the file to Mods folder and launch the game. It should appear on Mods if you have this enabled. Also, press Escape, press the Game Options, Other. Make sure these 2 options is selected. If it's not, select it and apply the changes. Restart your game. And then if we press New Game here, and if we press on something here and go, for example, to Clothing, we can see that we have 6 columns. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.